In a dense forest, a young boy named Arlo explored the undergrowth, his curiosity leading him to a mysterious, ancient lamp partially buried under a pile of leaves. As he brushed off the dirt and examined his find, he noticed intricate designs etched into its surface. Arlo couldn't resist. He rubbed the lamp, hoping to reveal more details. Suddenly, the lamp began to glow and shake in his hands. To Arlo's amazement, a blue, mystical genie burst forth from the lamp, filling the air with shimmering lights and magical energy. The genie, towering and ethereal, looked down at Arlo with a gentle smile and introduced himself, offering to grant 3 wishes. Amazed and a bit overwhelmed, Arlo made his first wish. He asked for a golden treasure chest, thinking of the adventures it could bring. The genie waved his hand, and in an instant, a magnificent chest filled with gold and jewels appeared before him. Arlo's eyes widened with excitement as he touched the treasures, hardly believing his luck. However, the joyous moment was short-lived. A dark sorcerer, drawn by the genie's powerful magic, materialized in the forest. His eyes glinted with malice as he attempted to snatch the lamp from Arlo. The boy's heart pounded in fear, but the genie stood protectively in front of him, ready to defend his new master. A dramatic battle ensued between the genie and the sorcerer. Magic crackled in the air as the two forces clashed. The genie used his immense powers to fend off the sorcerer's dark spells, creating a spectacle of light and energy. Arlo watched in awe and terror, clutching the lamp tightly. After an intense struggle, the sorcerer was finally defeated. He vanished in a puff of smoke, leaving behind an air of uneasy tranquility. Arlo, breathless and relieved, thanked the genie for saving him. The genie smiled warmly, his form beginning to fade as he prepared to return to the lamp. With the danger gone, Arlo decided to take the lamp home. He carefully carried it back, holding it close with a newfound appreciation. As he walked, he thought about the incredible adventure he had just experienced, and felt comforted knowing he had a powerful friend in the genie, always ready to assist him whenever he needed.